Joshua, back with the video, and today we're playing CDT, Call Dealership Tycoon, which Season 8 is out now, and I already have two of the main cars, which is a truck. I think we have a Supra, a F1 vehicle, and a classic vehicle, and a new Limited came out. As you see, I have $11 million, which last video I had around 30 mil or 20 mil, which I mostly have 30 mil. Is my highest. But with the 11 mil, I brought this limited bad boy right here. It is another Lambo that came out. Here it looks like. This is what it looks like, I meant. This is the interior. It's mostly black, gray, and orange. I mean, when I saw it like this, like in the front, it looked like a Corvette. Like a limited Corvette is coming, but it ends up to be a Lambo, which this car, people say, does look familiar to the McLaren, and also there should be a second car that people say. I don't know if I have the second car here. I will look for it. But yeah, cars without the roof. So yeah, like the McLaren is like one of them. But I just don't know how they look the same. Oh yeah, the Bugatti doesn't have roof either, but that's clearly doesn't look the same. And we're gonna be driving around the city with this Lambo, which goes 238 is the top speed with a 9 handling. Looking at it with this one, this is another limited which goes faster and has a 9.3. Oh, and also season 8 dropped out with new maps. I mean, not new maps, but new races. Circus, we have an oval race, go-kart, and the circus itself. Which adding to the drag race, uh you could now drive against 4 other people. I haven't seen any other, but the new update that they added was like this thing that says 5 people in the race. McLaren and a we do 2 laps. I'm going into McLaren and a motorcycle, or what you want to call that? Oh, McLaren then. I'm easily gonna wipe that motorcycle out of here. This is the oval map. Really great. Look, we're already 20 seconds in this race, and I'm going on to my second lap. Just to upgrade is $1 million. What about just for the turbo? Oh my gosh, kind of expensive with the upgrades. And this race is really good for trophies, cause it's not a season race, which there's always season race, but this one, if you play with like 5 or 7 people or 6, and you finish first or second, you get a lot of trophies. You get around like 36 or 37, which does help you get all these other trophies if you do the race. And mostly, all the races are here but the drag race. And the drag race, and yeah, this will be the end of the video. This is the brand new limited Lambo, and yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Peace!
Hey guys, it's your boy Joshua. This is the end of the video. For subscribe, watch more videos. We catch you later.